Well, you know what they say, when it rains, it pours. It's about 11:04 a.m. now on the 13th of February. And out for another call with the Highway Patrol. Got a work truck, some kind of work truck with a failed tire change, and I guess somebody got injured as a result of it. Southbound 405 at the Bolsa Chica off-ramp. So that's where we're heading. It's going to take a minute to get there. It is still raining. It's supposed to rain all day. So yeah, safely and effectively we will get there until we get on scene. Alright, so we're on the southbound side, getting ready to approach the interchange, the Bolsa Chica Road off-ramp. I had a look at it from the opposing side coming up. It's at the top of the off-ramp. All those cases where they said ahead of time I could access from that off-ramp, I could have just got from Valley View. It's probably still going to be the case. I don't know what the deal with this thing is going to be. I guess I'll know once I know what the full deal with it's going to be. There's a car right there. Looks like a flat right tire. I did not know there was actually two off-ramps here, because I know the Valley View Garden Grove off-ramp, but I don't usually come this way anyways. 90% of the time I'm going the 22 route. 97.
10-5.
We fucked up, didn't we? Yeah, we did. This is gonna be fun. Be better if I put the damn wheel back on it. Oh yeah. It rolled, that's exactly what happened. Oh, Jack. Can I get under anything? If I can get under a U-bolt. Kinda. Alright, let's do that. Let's get it under, and then we'll block it. Let's get enough lift first. Yeah, we'll do that. Parking brake is now set. Alright, so I'm going to have to lift it from the springs. Get it in front of the pocket. This is a better angle for the springs. Okay, you're gonna want to slip. It's perfectly fine. I just need enough to be able to get my jack under the axle. Under that shock. 1, 2. Good. Oh, they're all right here. Going up. back it up in to the truck. Poor guy. I can't see shit behind me, but it's okay. Probably should have just moved my damn truck, but okay. See where the front end is. Thank you. Seeing a lot of good options. Okay. We're gonna do what everyone else hates. Up into the shoulder, and I'll let you go. I'm gonna wait for clearance to get over to the left. We are out of here, heading back to the yard. All right, let's get this truck down. I don't know how many times I've said it. You don't know what you're doing with a tire change on these things. Read your owner's manual, or you can Google it, you can YouTube it, do all kinds of things. But if you're gonna jack up a vehicle, always set the parking brake and block the wheels. Now, if you can't block the wheels, at the very least set the parking brake. If the parking brake isn't good, then you're gonna need to block the wheels, but you want to keep the vehicle immobile. The reason that is because you don't want it to fall off the jack like it did in this case. Well, that spare needs air, but that's the least of my concern. Doesn't matter if you're going to lift a vehicle at all, regardless of what you're lifting. Always set the brake, and if you can block the wheels, that's even better. I mean, there's stuff in this thing. This guy could have blocked the wheels with something. Anything to add a barrier from it rolling. Unfortunately, in this case, the truck fell off the jack and the person was injured as a result of that. So, you know, that could have been avoided. It's not shameful to, you know, admit you don't know, or to look up for something to help you. Now, I didn't raise that crank all the way up. I got enough off the ground so it wouldn't drag, but that's it. I do have a wrench, but I wasn't gonna grab more stuff out of the truck right there that I needed to. Okay, we're just gonna roll it off and park it and put the tire in the back. I gotta take pictures of all this crap, so yippee-ki-yay. All these boxes are unlocked. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take pictures of everything. Yay. So, well, hopefully homeboy's okay. I'll say that much. And I set the brake when I put it on the truck. I'm gonna take the brake off now. There's a reason why that's good enough right there, because I still need to take pictures. Alrighty guys, like I said, be careful out there. Alright, thanks for watching.